It's fall again, time of the year when summer fun is behind and the winter joy has yet to come. Time to take a breath, admire the nature's secrets, discover the stories whispered by rain, shivering branches, and fiery red leaves. Time for cozy moments. We just cannot go without a meal that nourishes not only the body, but the soul. One such meal we suggest trying during this fall season. Something warm with wholesome veggies from a local farmer's market would be a great option for a chilly day. Think of a salad with roasted sweet potatoes and carrots, blessed with a touch of warm spices, brown lentils and citrusy dressing, all garnished with zesty arugula, crumbled feta, and pecans. It sounds like a lot is going on in this dish, but all the flavors, once combined, start playing in an intriguing way, especially when served warm. This is a simple and easy to make salad, but a couple things in this video will hopefully help you to make it with even less effort. The best place to start is to have the brown lentils cooked, drained and cooled beforehand, as well as to prep the rest of the ingredients. We will be roasting the vegetables in the oven, so set it to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. Then roughly dice the red onions. Send them to a large bowl, separating the layers, and combine with peeled carrots and sweet potatoes, all diced as well. Season everything with kosher salt, ground coriander, cinnamon, and allspice, and then drizzle with olive oil. Rub with your hands to combine the flavors and transfer to a baking pan, distributing everything evenly in one layer. Send to the preheated oven for 30 minutes. The dressing. For this salad, we will make it with freshly squeezed orange juice. Cut the orange in halves and squeeze the juice out from one half. Pour it in the mixing jar. Then add balsamic vinegar, olive oil, Dijon mustard, and maple syrup and shake well. The dressing will be a little thin, but we want it to be this way, as the roasted veggies and lentils will soak up all its juices well. Take the veggies out of the oven and let them sit in a pan for a minute or two to cool down just a little bit. Transfer the veggies into a shallow mixing bowl, add the cooked brown lentils, and pour in the dressing. When combining all these ingredients, you will see quite a good amount of dressing on the bottom of the bowl, but don't worry, the veggies and the lentils will absorb the liquid like a sponge in just a few minutes while sitting there and letting the flavors bloom. After mixing the salad, flatten its surface and sprinkle with 2/3 of crumbled feta. Then cover the entire surface with a generous heap of arugula, sprinkle with the rest of the feta, and garnish with pecans. Let it sit for 5 to 7 minutes to let the veggies soak up the dressing and to develop the flavor. Enjoy this meal as a salad or a side dish with a glass of red on a chilly fall day. All ingredients and measurements are in the description below. I have also left there a few other links to great fall recipes you'd most likely want to try. Test them out and let us know in the comments what kind of meals you'd like to see more on Fabeats. And don't forget to subscribe to keep us on your radar. Thank you for being around today, and visit us again next Friday for the best chili recipe. Stay well, folks, and see you then.